plank exercise. Great one for core and lower back strength, as well as working on the upper body. So this is the full plank. Just making sure you breathe freely when you're planking. Do not hold your breath. So hold it as long as you can, guys. So there's an alternate one to this, which can be done on the knees. So just place my knees on the floor. But again, making sure I keep my core nice and tight, keep the back flat, keep it in line with my hips. Again, I'm still working hard. I'm trying to keep my core really tight. As I get used to it, I can just drop the knees away, but making sure I keep the hips up, keep it in line with the back. So obviously breathe freely with it, hold as long as you can. Once you're finished, just get yourself up nice and slowly and have a rest. Remember, no excuses, just results.